Palo Alto Networks. You're in a unique situation where you're obviously striped across the entire federal sector, state and local, but the private sector as well. Give us an example of a program you'd like to highlight.
Well, I mean, we've been proud to be part of a lot of different programs across the federal government, even prior to the time that we sold our company, Twistlock, to Palo Alto Networks. I think that one of the most important things that you can do as a security vendor is to really try to improve the overall level of knowledge and awareness across the community, not just purely from a selling standpoint, but really to genuinely contribute back in a meaningful way. One of the things that I'm most proud of is the work that we did around NIST SP 800-190, which is the container security guide, which ended up becoming the authoritative guidance on container security, which is, containers are really driving a lot of this new innovation that Nicholas and others have mentioned that really sits on top of that infrastructure as service that's been there for a while. We're also very proud to have been part of a number of projects across all sectors in the federal government space. We have well over 100 federal agencies and organizations that are customers across the intelligence community, Department of Defense, civilian, and that's something I'm very proud of. And in fact, and we can reference this publicly because they've spoken about it. We're even part of the F-35 program and part of the critical supply chain elements there that utilize cloud technologies to ensure that aircraft can be serviced and be put to use globally, and to be able to keep that supply chain, which is very complex and sources many different really high-end components, keep that supply chain running regardless of the deployment location. So for us, we see that contribution in terms of knowledge as being really important, but also just being really proud to support the various federal customers that that have trusted us to help them secure their cloud environments.